What is up guys, welcome to another video and you're watching CB Tech King live here. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the Oppo R17 which they have just released. So I request you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so for future furthermore tech videos. So first of all, I would also like to thank you guys for clicking this video. I hope that you will enjoy this video. So without any further delay, let's get this video started. So first of all, let's talk about the design for the Oppo R17. So it has a full glass design, meaning that you will find glass on the back of this phone and as well as on the front, and alongside with that you will also find a very tiny notch, just like Essential phone, even tiny than that, on the top of the Oppo R17, and you would also find a little bit thicker chin on the bottom, just like other Android manufacturers do with their notch design, especially the OnePlus 6. But still, this notch is much better than the Google Pixel 3 XL's leaked notch which I just showed in the last video. Furthermore, if we talk about the design for the Oppo R17, you will find a single lens camera on the front in that notch and dual lens camera setup on the back of the smartphone. So this was it from the design sector guys. Now let's discuss some of the specifications for the Oppo R17. So we are going to kick the things off from the display. So Oppo R17 packs a 6.4 inches of 1080p by 2280p display. And now if we talk about the processor, it is packing Snapdragon 670 CPU, and it is the first phone to embrace that CPU inside of it. And furthermore, it comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which in my opinion is quite impressive from Oppo in their R17 smartphone. Talking furthermore, Oppo R17 is packing 3500 mAh battery, which in my opinion is just enough for providing the juice for all day long. Furthermore, if we talk about the cameras for the Oppo R17, on the rear you are going to find dual camera setup. One sensor is going to be rated at 16 megapixel and the second one is going to be of 5 megapixel, which will provide you quite crispy shots. And if we talk about the selfie front camera, you are going to get a mammoth of 25 megapixel sensor, which in my opinion will provide absolute beautiful selfies, and you could upload them to Facebook and gain thousands of likes. Last but not the least, these are also going to be the things which you will be able to find with the Oppo R17. You will be getting a 3.5mm headphone jack and the Gorilla Glass 6. Yes, you heard me right, this is going to be the first phone which will have the Gorilla Glass 6, which is going to be much more durable compared to the last generation of Gorilla Glass 5. So it is going to have the OS Color 5.2 based on Android Oreo, meaning that you will be getting Android 8.1 or 8.0 out of the box, and you would have to wait for the Android P update on your Oppo R17. The cost or the price for this phone is not yet announced, and it will be available on August 18th on the worldwide market, meaning that you could go out and purchase this smartphone. So this was it probably for the Oppo 17. So this was it from today's video guys. If you people enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for furthermore future quality tech videos. Peace out.